I'm Caleb Finn from J&H Aerospace. This is the satellite 788 with it used to have a K&B Torpedo 40, and now it has a Fox engine.
Yep.
But
you remember what kind of Fox this is?
Fox 12.
No, it's a Fox Combat Special. So it's a 35. So a little bit smaller. And who built it?
Mr. Sandy Downs.
Uh-huh. And what did Sandy do for a living?
He built airplanes from Lockheed and...
Yep, just Lockheed that I know of. He was also a World War II fighter pilot.
Yes.
And he designed some cool stuff for the SR-71. All right, so this is where I take over and we start test gliding it. All right, guys, so as Caleb said, this is a Satellite 788. This one is set up in true West Coast form. So left rudder, right thrust on the engine. Pretty crazy. This one's pretty light. I have modified it. We put a BMK RDT system right here. And we're running on a hard tank on pure suction. The engine was set up to run pressure tap off the engine. This Combat Special doesn't need that. So we've kind of backed off on power a little bit. Anyway, here we go. We're going to do a test glide with it. Can't ask for better than that. Alright, here we go. That was not one of my better launches.
I wonder what he's going to do.
Pretty nice. We're going to pump it full of fuel. Like that. Now this is the pressure vent port. So if we put our hand over that, fuel doesn't come draining out. Slide the line back over. And then, because our timer's already set for about a second or so. So if we pressurize here, we'll see fuel start to come through. And we've got some fuel there. And we keep pushing until it squirts just a little bit into the intake. And there we go.
You squirt the camera.
Oops. Okay. Back up because I'm gonna fire it up.
Whoa. Don't get pretty close. If you get your finger caught in here, you have no finger.
Yeah. Let's try to avoid that outcome.
Yes. You're gonna hear him start the engine. I didn't know why I didn't bring my headphones. That's silly. Also.
Very nice.
There, gotta get really loud. Down it goes.
Stay off of the fence. Oh yeah.
There.
Oh yeah.
DT.
Wait for it to get in a clear area, Caleb. Okay, so we've knocked it about halfway down, and so this is a fairly easy retrieve from here. But yeah, there it is, kind of stuck. Bad place to DT it down. Oopsies. And it's back. Unfortunately, do have a couple of holes I gotta punctures that I gotta deal with, as it hit really hard and there's no leaves to soften the branches. But easy repairs.
Hey Josh, did you happen to try that?
I did, it worked. Added some incidents. Alright, got a DT it now. Wanted a nice pretty video of it circling around. It's going off place I don't want it. Looks pretty though.
What did you change?
Go. Gotta push. Gotta push. Try. Yeah, baby!
All right.
Hey!
Josh, is that your pole out there?
Yes.
Yes, it is. My streamer pole. Hey, Caleb, you did that. Now if it would just turn.
Do not do that.
Well, I'll DT it down if it looks like it's going to go into the corn.
No,
There we go. It's, well, maybe.
That's
We gonna turn? We gonna turn?
Yep.
that was that's turning. It's
California
turning.
trim.
Daddy is turning.
I never knew a rear rotor 40 could move a plane that fast.
I did not know that a person, little boy could just
Keep the watch on that, honey.
even go like this. Bam!
Got a good glide, that's for
Do you have the stopwatch?
Don't keep the clock running. We'll figure it out from the clock or the camera.
Okay.
That thing's coming all the way back to us.
Yeah.
Don't hit the trailer.
No.
Oh, it's gonna go right down the runway.
Oh, yeah, mine. Don't hit that freaking trailer.
Don't hit the fence things here either. Oh, there we go. There we go.
That is turning.
Oh, that's awesome.
beautiful.
That'll do. Good enough.
I think you're gonna match. We still have more pictures to give away.
Yeah, it's not turning like it ought to. It's hunting the problem. It's called California trim.
Yeah. Or a Texas glide circle.
Lost Hills.
Yeah. Not Palm Bay.
Yes, I did.
Oh, shoot.
Be watching where it's going, Daddy.
I'm watching.
I have a feeling it's landing at the grass.
Maybe. If it comes back towards the cars, I'll have to DT it down. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Boy, that was beautiful there, bud.
Oh! Dang! Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.